Florence. Today I'm going to make heart-shaped potato. 3 boiled potato. So I have to mash them. So I make this every year for my grandchildren for a Valentine's Day. Special for them I make. Here I had the potato starch. So I have to put 2 tablespoons of that and half tablespoon of salt and pepper and chili powder. And 5 spoons of black gram. Right, that's it. So now I'm going to make the shape, heart shape. So now I start to fry them just in medium heat. How it is done out. I hope you enjoy my recipe. See you next time.